To maintain the system, you'll first need a fully charged battery and that is maintained at full capacity. Next, you're going to check the terminals at the battery, the control switch, and in the system for corrosion and if they're loose or damaged. Pay special attention to the motor leads under the chassis, as these are actually exposed to dirt and debris from the road. Most electrical system issues are caused by poor ground connections. We recommend utilizing star washers on your ground wires to ensure a solid contact to the chassis. Now for your hydraulic system, you're going to want to take a look at the hydraulic cylinder, the gear packs, and the gear tracks on the inner arms, plus your cross shaft for any dirt and debris or external damage. Now, if you have a squeaky gear pack, you're going to have to lubricate it. So here we have a gear pack that I've pulled off a unit, just so you can take a look at the parts a little bit closer. Now, if you have a squeaky gear pack, you're going to want to use dry silicone, no grease, no regular silicone. Now let's pull this apart a little bit and take a little bit closer look exactly where you're going to lubricate it. Now, what you're going to do on the unit is you're going to loosen these two main mounting bolts for the gear pack just a little bit so you can have access to the drive shaft. Now, to lubricate the drive shaft on the gear pack, you're going to take this red straw and get that all the way down inside there and lubricate the drive shaft at the point of contact of these side plates, the wheels, and the spur gear. Now, here's what you don't do. You don't lubricate the wheels or the spur gear at all. Once you get those points lubricated, you're going to want to then tighten those mounting bolts back up and run the room out a couple times. That way that lubrication works its way into the drive shaft.